This is the Woodford RK-25. This is the repair kit for the Model 20, 25, and 27. On the front of the package here, you'll see should be a list of the parts that the package will come with, as well as a little picture diagram of the order the parts go in. So we'll go ahead and open this package up and get the parts out of the bag here. Alrighty. The parts package will come with, so we've got the wheel handle assembly, this little nylon washer here, the handle screw, the head nut, the plunger, the drain guard, and the drain valve assembly. Oh, and the stem screw. And this right here is the stem screw. It is white and plastic. See, it's got that little C nut on the end there. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part that it will come with. So we'll start with the plunger. The plunger is rubber material. It's got these three little fins, and then the body of it is brass, so you can see on those internal threads there. So we'll go ahead and measure the plunger. We'll get a total height, and that measures right above, just right above an inch. And then we'll measure the stem screw, get a total height of it as well, try to find a better way to hold it. And that stem screw measures right at 1 3/4 inches. As you can see on the end there, it is like a square type of broach there. And then we'll measure the head nut assembly. As you can see with this piece, it's got the external male threads there. And then this hex portion here. So we'll go ahead and just get a total height or length. It measures right at 2 inches. And then we'll also get an outer diameter of the wider portion here and that portion there. So on that wider side, it measures right at 1 inch. And then on that more narrow side, it measures right at 3/4 of an inch. And then we can also measure the wheel handle assembly. So we get a total diameter straight across. It measures right at 2.5 inches as well. And we'll go ahead and measure the handle screw, and that will measure right at 1.25 inches. And that handle screw, it is driven by a Phillips head. And then the drain valve assembly here. The drain valve assembly should have that rubber almost packing right there in between those two grooves, with the female threads on that end. So we'll go ahead and get a total length, and that measures right at 1.25 inches. And then the drain guard, that's what it is. We'll go ahead and measure the drain guard as well. So we'll get an outside diameter here, and that measures right at 1.5 inches. And then last but not least, this little nylon washer here. Go ahead and get an outside diameter of that one. And that outside diameter measures right at 1 inch as well.
How many did you count?
And so once again, this is the RK-25 repair kit.